हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम देखेंगे ओनली 2 प्रोडक्ट मेकअप। उससे पहले हम करेंगे स्किन प्रेप। उसके लिए मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ जस्ट अ मॉइस्चराइज़र। फर्स्टली जस्ट मॉइस्चराइज योर स्किन, नेवर लीव योर हैंड्स गाइस। Massage it properly as you can see the glow. Second, I am using your matte look matte foam primer. It is a gel, transparent. Just spread it on your face to give a matte look. The first product I am using here guys, it's a blush. It is SFR palette blush. Just make a cross over your corner of your eyes, then blush on your cheeks. Just blend it the eyes and blush properly. You can mix it both. Then again I am making cross on my chin, on my tip of the nose. Just blend it properly guys. The second product I am going to use is a foundation. It's Fit Me foundation under your eyes, on your head. Just blend it properly, dab properly. Never leave your neck guys. The next product I am using is NYB Runaway lipstick of maroon reddish rose color. Very nice color guys, as you can see. The Stay Matte compact I am using, loose powder compact, just to fix my foundation makeup. So yeah guys, this is the look, the final look guys. Hope you like the look guys. Let me know in the comment section if you like the look. Yeah guys, like, subscribe and share to my channel. Bye bye.